The three types of cloning are gene, reproductive, and therapeutic cloning. Gene cloning is when a copy is made of a specific gene from the DNA of an organism. Reproductive cloning is creating an animal that is genetically identical to their donor, and therapeutic cloning is similar, but the cloned cells remain in a dish in the lab. The Raelians claim to use reproductive cloning, which produces a genetic copy of a whole person or animal. The Raelians see cloning as the only way to achieve true immortality. They claim that the process of cloning serves as the first step towards immortality. Then the clone must undergo an accelerated growth process and become an instant adult. Finally, by transferring memories from one clone to another, the Raelians believe they can escape death and have eternal life. In order to make their goal a reality, Rael founded the human cloning organization Clonaid in 1997. The CEO and French chemist Brigitte Boisselier was a major force behind the organization, serving as the public face of Clonaid and conducting public interviews regarding their operations. In December 2002, Clonaid claimed they successfully cloned a baby named Eve. They stated that the baby is an exact clone of her mother, who donated DNA for the cloning process, had the embryo implanted, and conceived the child. She resorted to cloning because her husband was infertile.